left, park stand 100.
First to the left and the stand 100, that's 2519.
First convenient left, parking on stand 105.
First left and stand 105, Eurotrans 2461.
Trans 1893, after departure, climb straight ahead to 1.5 DME, then turn left at 230.
For departure, straight ahead 1.5D for turning left to Sapka, 1893.
Be left onto heading 230 initially.
Heading 230, Eurotrans 1893. And ground, good evening, it's Nitro 386 Sierra with you just off of the runway, parking 76 Alpha, unfamiliar with the airport right now.
Midlands Tower, good evening, this is Eurotrans 8379. We are on stand 104 with Yankee, request pushback and start up to Vitoria.
8379, good evening, Yankees, current standby for push and start.
Standby.
Chennai 6536, report your passing altitude.
3,500 feet 1013, Chennai 6536.
Next, contact Manchester 124.2.
124.2, Chennai 6536.
Lufthansa 8674, vacate next left.
Next to the left, Lufthansa 8674.